Hello, Sonia and Letitia. Okay, Sonia. Okay, interesting. Okay, and all right. All right. These both have a lot of contrast. This one in particular would really pop off the page. I like the super vivid hue of both of these colors, the red and this teal. I would like to see how this looks on Facebook. If you want to take a screenshot of Facebook and put that in there, we'll see how well it does. I think it would do really well. So all of these work well. This one is my favorite. I love how the yellow basically acts like an arrow down to this. Classic never goes out of style. There isn't a particular call to action here. I don't think that it would entice the viewer to click on it unless it told the viewer to do something, because there's so many Coca-Cola ads. It would just look like a clever one, but I wouldn't necessarily click on it. That makes me wonder if this is the right file, because you did say you moved the hand so it doesn't look like a little tail. It still kind of does. That was my really only thought, but I think it's a wonderful job. All right, Sonia. Also, Coca-Cola. A very creative, unique color palette. I think this green for text is really blending in. If you were to print this in a newspaper, which is the ultimate test because it's the worst paper, that green, believe it or not, would just like dissolve right into the blue. You would barely be able to tell that there was type there. So perhaps the bold version of that font would work better, or liven up that green a little bit more into the crazy Kelly world. That might not look good, but you know what I'm saying. But this is beautiful. I love it. It looks like a contemporary poster, but at the same time, it has that 50s quality to it, which I think makes everybody feel comfortable. Look at that. Cool. Now, this by far was my favorite one. It's so animated. I love the thick stroke. And you've also got that recycle concept in there. It's very creative. So at this point, I would like to see the logo in there. I think you've proven very strong concepts. So how would it look instead of a Refreshing Life Coca-Cola logo? Instead of Refreshing Life, this is the only one I think you might have trouble with. I don't know how many variations of a logo they have, but that's just something to consider. Otherwise, I think this is a very strong portfolio piece. I think you both have strong portfolio pieces here. All right, I look forward to more work from you. Bye-bye.